Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, security system, rear window defroster. Your new ride is just a phone call away.